Hi everyone, welcome back to my planner walkthrough series. Today we are looking at a homegrown Indian brand called Twillo Story. So they have a lot of cool options. They really focus on making everything very intentional, actually paying attention to how you are leading your life. They have a really cute Zen box as well and a rituals box as well. So that's something we'll look into. I love the way that their calendars are. I have friends who buy their calendars every year. So first we will take a look into all the new launches that they have. So they have a mini anxiety journal. They have a 3 good things mini gratitude journal. They have a procrastination journal and a daily reset journal. Wow, they have a lot of cool things. Let's dive into the 2026 collection. So they have a really cool calendar, which we will get into later, but they also have great dated planner and journals with 4 different cover options. All the covers really look so beautiful. They look hand painted and it's amazing. Like, it looks so calming. So the first option is Peace Within. Next you have Journey of Joy, you have Fields of Calm, and you have Fresh Bloom. Let's pick one and take a closer look. Look at the illustration. It is so beautiful. You can see how carefully it has been painted. You can almost see the brush strokes. It is very nicely done. And let's see what all you will get with the box. So you get a nice little box to keep your planner in. You also get 4 sticker sheets. You get 8 coloring cards and you get 2 magnetic bookmarks. That's interesting. You have this beautiful cover. Oh, the edge is also covered. That is very nice. I can just imagine, like, if you put this planner in your bookshelf, even if you face it with the pages facing outside, you could still see some color. That would be very cute. You get to put your name on your planner. That's not an option that most Indian brands offer. So that is a very nice addition. It looks so beautiful. All the color cover options look so beautiful with the pages covered. It's just beautiful. You have your monthly illustrations and your journaling prompts as well for each month. It just makes me so happy looking at these illustrations. They are so pretty. Every month has a different theme of intention and all of the journaling prompts are aligned to that particular theme. You have a place for goals and promises, and these are the promises that you make to yourself. So these are definitely the most important promises that you can keep. You have different sections. So you have nine boxes where you can put create, become, simplify, practice, learn, attend, try out, eliminate, and improve. So all of these different things, what do I promise myself that I want to do? Really nice addition. Okay, then the monthly grid comes. Again, lot of good space, very wide grids. I can imagine fitting a lot of things into it. You have space for to-do notes. You have your top 3 goals for the month. You also have things I'm looking forward to. Self-care goal, very nice addition. I will do more of and I will do less of. It is a Monday start month, which of course, as you guys know, is my favorite. I love Monday starts. So now you have all of the things covered in the overall monthly page itself. So that is such a great thing. Most of the time you will just have your main goal or your habits, but I like that they have added a self-care goal as well. Then you also get monthly reflection pages. Now this, I feel like a lot of Indian planners might be lacking, where they don't give us explicit reflections page. And one of the comments had also come on one of my videos where they were asking if certain planners do have these. It looks like we found your match. This particular planner definitely has a pretty good monthly reflection page. Let's see what the prompts are. It says what went well this month, what challenged me the most, some new things that I learned, how did I take care of myself, and memory or moment I want to remember, and what can I do to make next month better. And you also have a free journaling space which with the prompt, what did this month feel like? So I like how deep you have to think about how did it feel like, not just what went right, what went wrong, what did you feel about this. Sometimes there are times when like everything is going right but you still don't feel so great. This is a good way to dig deep into that feeling. You have a very nice weekly spread. Personally, this is my favorite way to lay out a week, is in boxes. So you get like 8 boxes in 2 pages and you get a kind of a hybrid between having a week in 2 pages and a vertical format. Sometimes you don't need the entire column as well. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday in one page. You have notes section over here and you also have space for top 3 weekly goals. And then you get to add your Fridays. Basically a quadrant is split into two for Saturdays and Sundays. You get, and I like how it is kind of segregated as like the extended weekends of Friday, Saturday, Sunday in one page, and you get Monday to Thursday, which is the bulk of the work week, in one page. So nice segregation. Then you also have the habit tracker, and I love weekly habit trackers. I feel like they're the easiest to maintain. So you get to list out about 6 or 7 habits. You get a circle for every day that you just color in or you tick, and that's that. You have an expense tracker as well for your item and how much you're spending and on what date you're spending that amount. You also get columns for weekly gratitude, small wins, what stressed you out, what are you looking forward to. And you get these really cute magnetic bookmarks. I really like all the things that they have to offer. Even the stickers look so calming and so beautiful. You get a cute little back pocket as well where you can put in your stickers. And that's it for the planner. I think for this price, they are really giving you a lot of value. And they are adding so many different things, so many like thoughtful prompts for you to think through. This is really an all-in-one planner and journal, and I'm a big fan of this kind of a layout. Let's look at the desk calendar, because that is also an interesting thing that they have. This is priced at $8.99, and as you can see that it starts off with January, but each of the months kind of have that wavy design which is layered on top of each other. So that way it looks so beautiful. Like you can see January's wave is a little small, February is a little higher, and that way all the 12 months are stacked on top of each other. I think this is such a unique way, and it doesn't take up any space. So it's just that card holder. All of your months would be one by one, and you can just rotate it as the months go by. And every month also has a nice little quote. I think it's going to be so sweet sitting on your desk. It looks so beautiful. That's it for Twillo Story. I think I really like this. I might just get one. And let me know if this is your planner of choice for this year. I would love to know how you're planning to use it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.